What is going on, guys? So today I have a really great surprise for you guys, and I think you guys are gonna like this. I got Zach over here.
What's up? Whoa! What's up? How's the lighting on that?
No, the lighting's good. I'm gonna put a link down into his channel, or to his channel, so you guys can check him out. He's got a lot of really cool videos on this really cool car I'm about to show you guys. Let him pop the hood real quick. This is his 240Z, and this thing is freaking clean. Look at this. You guys are gonna be amazed compared to my setup. Look at how clean this thing is.
It's pretty dirty right now, but needs a little bath, but that's okay.
Dude, it's so clean though. The swap is so clean compared to mine. It looks so good. I met him at Twin Peaks, a video I made a while back, and then I saw him a couple times at the Cars and Coffee. But yeah, and I was just amazed at how clean it was. This thing is freaking sweet. We're gonna go for a ride, go get some coffee, kind of chill, hang out, whatever. But if you want to tell them a little bit about it, what's all in this bad bitch?
So it's a built 5.3 Wiseco pistons, K1 rods. It's got a Z06 cam in it. I've had it for a couple of years now, and I just was like, I want to go fast, so I want to Ricky Bobby and go fast. So I decided to do the swap. It was on my budget. It was a budget build, and then I rebuilt it this year. And the goal is to boost it, hopefully, so I can be as cool as
oh yes,
this guy over here. But that's the plan with it. I've had it for a couple of years. It's a 71 240Z. I call it the Datsun Skidz because that's I got some ski racks over here.
Yeah.
Here, that door doesn't open.
No, it's all good. I was just gonna open it and show them the interior, but
I drive around all summer with some skis on it because the original owner used to drive it up to the ski resorts, and he would every weekend he would go up there. So I decided to drive around with the skis on it all summer and just whip people's ass with it. But yeah, not too bad. Legit bride. You have to say that, dude, because
yeah, we would be like, oh, that's eBay. I mean,
that's eBay.
I mean, let's be real here. If I bought some brides, or you saw some brides in my car, you'd probably think they're eBay. So, but yeah, so we're gonna go take a ride real quick. Do maybe some shenanigans.
Yeah, some shenanigans. I know it's wet right here, and I'm pretty much bald on the back tires.
Yeah.
No big deal.
Yeah, not just a little sketch.
We'll be safe.
Yeah.
Sorta.
I like these little side panels though.
Yeah, they're nice.
All nice and flush.
Skiller did those, so they're pretty thick.
Feels just kind of like the RX-7. It feels a little bit wider than the RX-7 though, so. Thought I was gonna scream. It sounds so good. Sounds really good.
I want to quiet it down just a little bit, but
is it just straight pipes?
Yeah.
It's just straight pipe?
Yeah, it's a Y to a single 3.
Oh, okay. It's just so weird being able to actually somewhat hear yourself talk in the car.
Is yours that loud?
Dude, it's so loud with it being in the front, you can't really hear that great inside the car. But with your exhaust being in the rear, you can definitely hear a whole lot better.
What sucks sometimes is that you get pretty high driving it for quite a while since some of the exhaust fumes circulate back through.
I mean, I'm pretty
used to that.
I don't have my rubbers
in like set up on my door or anything like that yet.
Yeah.
So
get some coffee in the Z.
This is hype right now, dude. I don't even know what to think of this.
Dude, I want some coffee right now. I'm thirsty.
We should do a burnout in the drive-thru.
They might get a little hurt.
That would be some clickbait.
Clickbait? let me get out. Just piss them off. Got my coffee. Didn't film. Didn't spill the coffee.
America, you saved it.
Dude, you're scaring the shit out of me. Dude, I got trust issues with people. Oh god. Oh.
Oh my.
Wait.
Damn it!
Missed the race with this Camaro. Oops.
Uh-oh.
Just be careful though, this is in town. This is in town.
You don't want no, bro.
Well, it's a convertible fucking Camaro. Spilled my damn drink all over my leg.
Race my car, but whatever. The seat is shitty anyways.
Race car problems. Is MX-5 one cylinder or not? Probably not. We always go 5 over everywhere.
Everywhere we go.
Everywhere we go 5 over. Voiced over audio from a race car. So unfortunately, that is gonna be the end of this quick little video. It was pretty cool to to ride in his Datsun, his LS Swap Datsun. Like I said, be sure to go check out his channel.
Datsun Skidz channel.
There you go.
Datsun Skidz. Pretty simple.
There you go. I'm gonna put a link in the description to his channel. Like I said in the beginning, go check out his channel. Make sure to subscribe, like his videos, comment a bunch of shit. You guys know what to do. Be looking forward for some more videos in the future.
Race car life.
Yeah, of his car. Might be doing a cool twin turbo setup on it.
Twin turbo or a single turbo, one or the other. Whatever's cheaper right now, probably a single turbo.
Definitely.
But I just want to put some good power down until we...
Definitely eBay twins. eBay twins.
For you, maybe, not me.
eBay twins. eBay twins.
You're gonna send me some eBay twins?
eBay twins. eBay twins.
Is that the goal?
That's what we're gonna do.
All right.
Anyways, as always, thanks for watching. Until next time, guys. Dad Bod Squad out.
Out.